You're on video now. You can talk or something. Wow. It really is pretty. Okay, here. I'm going to bring it to you. It's actually videoing right now, so I'm sure this section of the video looks great. Oh, yeah. Wow. Hope that comes out.
I know if you see the drop.
I mean, you know, that's why we do this. There's people, everybody's like, well, what the hell? You know, why do you do this? This is why we do this. To get into places where you're not supposed to go. You know? I wonder where that lady is that yelled at us. That you're not supposed to be over there. Don't go over there. Crazy, crazy lady. Huh?